Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing. It is a super hyped bag that's been just everywhere lately. Just everyone's obsessed with it and it's sold out like crazy. Like normally no one's paying full price for Coach bags, so I'm like shocked. I'm really shocked, so I'm like I gotta get my hands on this color before it's gone.
Another one.
Also, I was able to use my birthday discount of 10%, so I was like, yes, let me get this. I had done a previous unboxing, which I'll just insert a clip and show you the footage of me unboxing the other bag, but I just was not feeling the color, so I was able to go into the store and get one of the new spring colors that doesn't release till March 1st, so I'm going to be one of the first to have it. It's been sitting in my room for like 2 days, so I'm a little bit late unboxing it, but I'm going to get to that right now. So let's get to that unboxing. I went in person to the Coach store to get this bag, and the SA there hooked me up, so I got the bag like a week early basically before everybody else. So you guys get to see this new color before everybody else. I've only seen it online in pictures so far. I haven't seen a single video of it on YouTube yet. So alrighty, let's get into this unboxing. They even gift wrapped it for me, so that's the thing about online orders. Like, whenever I order online, they haven't gift wrapped it lately, so I'm like, I'm just gonna start just going to the store instead, rather likely, or just call the store and have them do it for me, because like, yeah, online, it's annoying. I'd like my boxes to store my quilted bags to keep them from dents and stuff, so yeah. Let's unbox it. Me with my gloves. I'm such a weirdo. Oh. Forgot you couldn't hear me. Oh, they even put the little paper. They're so nice. Oh yeah. Shout out to a Square One Coach for hooking me up with this bag early. I'm not sure what the SA's name was. I'm not sure if she told me her name or not, but I forget. But I'm on the waiting list for this in another color. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's like a really soft purple color. It's so beautiful. The only thing is it's like very difficult to showcase the color, but I'm going to do a separate video where I'll show you guys all my other purple bags that I have and compare the shades of purple, because I have a similar bag from the outlet, or well, a similar color bag, I should say, the violet mist color. I feel like they're very close, but this is, I don't know, this one feels like almost close to the same, but like a little bit more purple than the violet mist. The violet mist is a little more gray. But oh my god, it's so beautiful. I freaking bought the black one, but just black isn't my vibe anymore. As you can tell by my room, it's like purple and pink, and yeah. My hair is dark, my eyes are dark. I like contrast, you know? And pastels, they're so cute. I haven't been doing this unboxing because like I'm so nervous to open it up, and I don't want to like sweat all over it because it's been hot weather, so I'm like, I've been avoiding it because yeah, don't want to wreck my bag. It's so beautiful. But yeah, I'm gonna switch into this bag now. Oh my god. So I got another one in the 20 size. This one's the 26, so it's gonna fit a lot more compared to my other bag, which I'm glad. I feel like I can smell perfume or something. I don't know, that store kind of smells like perfume a little bit, and I'm sensitive to fragrances. I have allergies. Oh my god, get all this stuff out. Who cares about this part, am I right? Well, so you guys know they stuff it with paper and cover it in styrofoam. They do all the things. I don't want to squish the leather at all, so I'm being careful. I don't want to open the flap too hard because I noticed that on some people's bags, right across the back, there's like a crease line. So you got to be careful, like when you're opening the flap, not to wrench it too hard like that. Yeah. So yeah, let me just get all this stuff off. Take out these silica packets because these are important to keep your bags from getting moist. Some people don't like that word, moist. I don't know if I'll be able to stop the crease from happening, but okay, no, I don't smell it. Maybe it's the box, because like, I don't know. They got the perfumes on display in the store, and like, smells contaminate. That's the crazy thing. Like, speaking of contaminating smells with scent, I got a bag recently, pre-loved bag or whatever. They said it was used once, but I don't know. It's hard to know when something isn't brand new if it was used once or not once the tags are removed, because people can keep their bags in good condition and whatnot. Oh my god, this is a nuisance. This is a nuisance. I just want my bag. It's kind of annoying when it's all wrapped up. I could see the appeal why people get them to like unwrap it for you sometimes, I guess. Oh, we got a little slip pocket back here. Gotta get that one out of there. Oh my god, this is gonna be my new everyday bag. I'm glad that it's not Chanel prices, because like it'll likely get beat up by being used a lot. I mean, there's a chance. Like, knowing me, oh my god, just bump it into my desk. Knowing me, I'm a freaking walking accident waiting to happen klutz, but you know, I'm still a perfectionist and try and keep everything perfect. The details. It's got the lovely quilting and stitching. What I notice is around about here, it'll get like crease lines sometimes from the way the flap is made. But yeah, I got a pretty pristine looking bag. And then the sides are like this. Rather than being puffy and quilted, it's more of a hard leather, so it's got more structure to the bag, which I love. So at the bottom, it's not going to sag like on the Madison bag. So it's basically, it reminds me a lot of Chanel and Gucci, but it's like Coach made their own baby of the Madison and the Tabby together. And oh my god, it's so beautiful. I can't wait to see what fits in this too. But yeah, I want to show you guys my luxury bag that I got secondhand sometime soon. Hopefully I'll do a video on that soon and then tell you the whole story time about that. It's basically essentially just like the pillow tabby inside, but I feel like it would fit more because it's not poofy. And then you got the zipper pouch in it. And yeah, I'll do a separate video with what fits and everything and show the details, but like, I love the leather covered C. Like, I like the monochromatic look personally myself. Uh-oh. Oh, I was like, oh, the flap showing under, but no, that's because it's not closed. Beautiful. It looks like there's blue light reflecting on it, but yeah, my lighting's not very good in my studio, but I'm doing my best to showcase the bag. I'll try and get some like mod shots of me wearing the bag, like out in public and whatnot. Actually, I'll show you guys how it looks right now and show you my other bag so you can see a size comparison. This is the bag I'm currently using. This is the size 20. So you can see the color is I love it so much. That's the size difference you can see. It is a significant size difference. Height. Yeah, it's a big difference. Oh, this is what's in my bag right now. Literally just a card holder and my keys are in the front flap, and that's it. And I put like my charger and my headphones, and like that's it. So yeah, pretty small. I will show you crossbody now. This is just on the shoulder. You can see the difference, a lot bigger. Purple's also a lot darker. But oh my god, I freaking love the purple so much. I died when they brought it out from the back. I was like, I saw a leak on the website that there was a glitch, which I'm like, are these intentional glitches, or do they like want us to get hyped about the new colors being leaked? Because if you go to the blue-gray Quilted Tabby and you switch through it, you'll see in one of the inside shots where it shows inside the bag, it leaks this color. They're both purples, it's hard to tell. But yeah, it leaked that color. I'll just show you guys shoulder. Like this. And then this, how this looks shoulder. I think it sits at a nice height. I really like, oh my god, I love it. Oh my god. I hope they re-release the pink, the vivid pink in 26, because I'll definitely be getting it. Like, I don't know, black, I have so much black clothing and stuff. And my dark hair, dark eyes, no. I love the contrast. And also being an artist, I love color. If you can't tell by my background, my studio's in the midst of being fixed up and stuff like that at the moment. That's why, like, I've been sanding and prepping walls to paint and stuff. I've been doing it myself, so it's a lot because I have health issues and stuff and fatigue. So getting stuff done is hard for me. I'm just trying to get my videos done, you know? Trying to get stuff done. But yeah, look at how much higher the 20 size sits versus the 26. I feel like I like where the 26 sits more. It's interesting though, the difference between that, so that you can see there's that difference. And then let's just see how it is crossbody. So you can go like this and have the strap through the back side like that, or you could pull it and then have it through the front like this, and it changes the length, just makes the strap a little bit shorter if you have it at the front like that. So I'll just do like this. Okay, so that's crossbody with the strap at the longest it could possibly be. And then this is crossbody for this side, so you can see the difference. So crossbody, it also sits a bit higher as well, but it's not even to do with the bag itself. It just seems like the strap is shorter maybe. But yeah, so that's how it would look crossbody. Crossbody. Kind of cool, actually. Imagine that as like a decorative chain thing for your top. That is so me. I love chains and spikes and stuff like that. Oh my god. They need to do more spiked bags. That's something that there's just not enough good punk rock looking bags or goth looking bags. I mean, I don't know if there's a market for it, but I swear it's not a phase, Mom. It's a thing. There's people who like that stuff, okay? I'm one of those people. Oh, you can also see my artwork behind me. If you don't know already, I am an artist as well as a fashionista and lover of fashion. So if you're not subscribed already, subscribe down below. Because like 90% of you guys aren't subscribed. People are always saying that on their videos, and I'm like, is that a thing? Is that really a thing? And then I looked at my stats and I was like, oh, it is a thing. So did you guys forget or something? So if you forgot, I'm just me letting you know. Just click it, and click the like button too if you forget to, because I'm also forgetful. So I'm just reminding you guys. So yeah, that's how it looks crossbody. So the bag is made out of quilted leather, and then it has smooth leather on the sides and bottom. It has front pocket that you could like slip stuff in, like receipts or like card case if it's skinny enough. Your phone too. I have an iPhone 13 Pro. And it can fit in the front flap. No problem. I'm trying not to squish up the quilting, but honestly, it's gonna get squished because I'm gonna use the hell out of this bag. It's gonna become my everyday. So yeah, fits no problem in the front flap, and it doesn't add bulkiness to the front, so that fits in there fine. And also it would fit in the front as well. No problem, lots of room. And let's just see, for sake of the video, if it'll fit in the back. It fits really good in the back, so that's nice. And it doesn't bulk it out, so it's not gonna bother the stitching, because like my other bag does. It's interesting though, when the light hits it, it looks a lot deeper purple, but it really is not. It's close to the violet mist color. Very close. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm gonna keep saying it's beautiful a million times and then choke myself out with this chain by accident because I'm clumsy like that. Oh my god. Anyway. More thorough review coming soon. I don't know if I'm... So cute, kawaii. It matches my outfit very well. And my blanket matches my blanket. It's gonna match everything in my wardrobe. So yes, Coach, keep coming out with purples and pinks and pastels and all the cute colors because it's what I need more of in my life. I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching my video, and I will be back soon for a unboxing of my first ever luxury bag that I got on the pre-loved market. I can't wait to show you guys that. I've had that bag for like 5 months or something, and I haven't really done a review on it, and I wanted to get some input from the rest of the luxury community and get their thoughts on it. Yeah, I'd like to kind of get your guys' input because like it's my first experience ever buying pre-loved before, and then I don't know that much about it. So yeah, I just wanted some input on my experience with it. Anyway, I will see you guys in a video soon as well for what fits, because I'm gonna see what fits in my bag. Yeah. And again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and all that good stuff, because apparently I don't tell anybody to do that and I forget to. And yeah. This is your daily reminder to subscribe.